Alright, excuse the mess for a minute. It's good. Back full of stuff. Anyway, I've been asked a question, or a question has been asked rather. Where's the mechanism on the back tailgate that controls the interior lights? Because you can look around the sides and everything, you're not going to find the little button. Where it is, it's inside the tailgate. So you put this mechanism here, you'll see that. See if I can show you at the same time. This way. I'll push this in, so the light goes off. And I'll press the button like as if I'm going to open up the tailgate. I need to use the screwdriver at the same time there. See the lights back on. So I'll just show you again. Put it right in. Lights off. Lights on. So it's inside. To get to where it is, you have to take this cover off, and you'll find the switch in there is triggered by an arm inside. So yeah, that's where you'll find it.